It's tall for me. That guy wasn't even that tall, and it's still too tall for me. Let me know when you're okay and if the sound
Test,
is
test,
okay in
test,
here.
test. Yep. We are rolling
Fantastic.
and good whenever.
Great. Great.
Is
I
this
had
just gonna be you
notes.
solo?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
gonna be quick
Doesn't
and me, and it'll be fine. Of course, I can't.
Till 10:30, so take as much
Fantastic.
time as
Literally,
you
you
want.
have like this will be totally quick.
Okay.
Am I okay here? Is this close enough, or how does this work?
A little bit closer.
Okay, great. I had written down notes. I don't know where I put them though, but okay. Okay, got it. Great. All right. 3, 2, 1. This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Today's discussion is 3 quick notes this morning. And here's the 3 quick notes. And I probably should have used this as the headline. First is Ding Dong, the witch is dead. Second is Target surges. And third, back up the truck when you find great leaders. Those are the 3 topics. The first one, Ding Dong, the witch is dead. Of course, this may be too early to declare this, but at least the markets are viewing it as inflation is starting to slow in a real way. And thus there's increased optimism that the Fed is going to stop raising rates. I think it might be overstated to say, ding dong, the witch is dead. But that's the phrase that came into mind this morning when looking at the inflation reports and what's happening with the market rallying. We'll see if that's premature or not. Second, Target, in an unexpected way, crushed all of their estimates on sales and profits and more, and their stock is up 18% today. Now, I'll admit, I do like shopping at Target. It doesn't seem like it's quite as up to date and clean as it used to be, at least the ones that I go to, but it does seem that I've always enjoyed shopping at Target, so thrilled to have them, to see them have great results. The third issue we're talking about today is something that came up yesterday in discussions about building teams, building leaders, and building great firms. And the lesson, if I have any lesson at all, is that it's all about finding great talent and then doing everything you can to back up the bus, not just financially, but spiritually, emotionally, support-wise, to make sure those leaders are thriving side by side with your firm and hopefully growing into leading your firm and whatever you do. There's a sort of Venn diagram we always talk about of people thriving and the company thriving. And for things to work, there's got to be some overlap. But the real issue is that when you see great talent, the concept is, so many people might be naysayers to say that, oh, you can't overpay that person. You can't get that person that involved. But once you've known somebody for a couple of years and they've shown themselves to be tremendous leaders, tremendous people, you have to sort of grab onto those people early and really back up the truck to take care of those people, because that's what great firms are built on, is great teammates, great leaders, and they're not that easy to find. Thank you for listening to today's version of the Becker Private Equity Podcast. 3 short notes. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you to Grace Keller, a remarkable producer who's with us in person today. Thank you.